Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering. I am Dr. S.K. Sonkar, Assistant Professor of SIRT EX Department. Today we are discussing the vacuum circuit breaker. Vacuum circuit breaker VCB is called is the also VCB in such a breaker. Vacuum degree of vacuum being the range of 10 to 10 rods is used for the arc quenching medium. Since the vacuum offers the highest insulating strength, it has for superior arc quenching properties than other mediums. So vacuum is used for arc quenching medium. And principle, when the contact of the breaker are open in a vacuum and arc is produced between the contact by ionization of the metal vapor of contact. However, the arc is quickly extinguished because the metallic vapor, electrons and ions produced during arc rapidly condense on the surface of the circuit breaker contact, resulting in quick recovery of the dielectric strength. As soon as the arc is produced in vacuum, it is quickly extinguished due to the fast rate of recovery of dielectric strength in a vacuum. So here, this is the diagrams of VCB, vacuum circuit breaker. Construction, it consists of the fixed contact, moving contact, and arc shield mounted inside a vacuum chamber. The movable member is connected to the control mechanism by stainless steel bellows. This enables the permanent sealing of the vacuum chamber so as to eliminate the possibility of leak. A glass vessel or ceramic vessel is used as the outer insulating body. The arc shield prevents the deterioration of the internal dielectric strength by preventing metallic vapor falling on the inside surface of outer insulating cover. So this is the diagrams of vacuum circuit breaker, and this is the insulating result, and this one is the fixed member, and this one is the movable member, arc shield. This one is the arc shield, and this the arcing range, and this one is the electrodes. Working when the breaker operates, the moving contact separate from the fixed contact and arc is stuck between the contact. The production of arc is due to the ionization of the metal oils and depends very much upon the materials of contact. The arc is quickly extinguished because the metallic vapor, electrons and ion produced during arc are diffused in a short time and seized by the surface of moving and fixed member and shields. Since vacuum has very fast rate of recovery of dielectric strength and arc extension in a vacuum breaker with a short contact separation, say 0.625 centimeters. Advantages of VCB vacuum circuit breaker. First is they are compact, reliable, and have longer life. Second, there are no fire hazard. Third, there is no generation of gas during and after operation. Fifth, they require little maintenance and are quiet in operation. They can successfully withstand lighting surges. And the seventh one, they have low initial and hence require small power for control mechanism. And applications, For a country like India, where distances are quite large and accessibility to remote area difficult, the installation of such outdoor maintenance free circuit breakers should prove a definite advantage. Vacuum circuit breakers are being employed in outdoor application. The ratings from 22 kilovolt to 66 kilovolt, even with limited range of say to 60 to 100 megavolt ampere. They are suitable for majority of application in rural areas. Okay, and this is the circuit breaker having three ratings like braking capacity, making capacity, and short time capacity. Braking capacity, it is the current RMS that the circuit breaker is capable of braking at given the recovery voltage and under specified conditions. Making capacity, the peak value of current, including DC components during the first cycle of current wave after and closer to circuit breaker is known as the making capacity. Short time ratings is period of which the circuit breaker is able to carry fault current which remaining closed. So, thank you.